Well, good morning, chat. Welcome to the new new time, to new live streaming time. Happy to have you all here. Hope all the Americans here had a good 4th of July. If you did not celebrate 4th of July, I hope you had an excellent weekend. If you do not know who I am Kailoulou, founder and lead creative director, and I am the guy that wears all of the hats on the team. So, yeah. As for what I'm specifically working on, this is Penumbras. This is currently a vertical slice build that we're currently still getting the core gameplay logic into, but what it does is that we send this off to publishers. If you do not know what Penumbras is, it is a narrative-driven, tile-based strategy game where you command a squad of religious, inquisitorial unicorn deer fighting against shadowy eldritch abominations who are trying to destroy evidence that allows you to piece together the trail of the recently convicted heretic, known as Callisto. You take these pieces of evidence, after fighting for them in intense tile-based combat, and you piece them together in an actual evidence board, and you uncover the secrets of Servine and the broader Callisto conspiracy. As for what's new this week, for today, over the weekend, we managed to figure out what the issue was. It was a corruption error in the file. I still don't know what specifically it was, but I just looked in the source control. The other programmer on the team, he pushed something that said fix the corruption issue. I'm like, and so it works. So you can just hop right on in, and then just come on in, and then just get this guy in here. Oh, cool, but we still crash. Cool. Cool. Already off to a great start. Wow. Oh. Wow. You know what? I should have copied that. Fuck. We are already off to a great start, chat. Already crashing and all that fun stuff. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Why did that crash right there? Okay. Alright, more crashing issues. Woohoo! 117, 296, and 105. Excuse me. We'll compile this. 117, 296, and 105. So EM character 117, EM battle game mode 296. What's going on here? 296. We go to 296 and we have current round that remove at current round order that find last selected character. Okay, cool. EM battle game mode 105. Let's trace this. That gets us to this, which then 105 if command in progress, command slow-mo waiting action selection interp time dilation delta time. Interesting. Let's see. That's interesting. Working on turn order. Probably should fix this. Working on turn order. Okay, so let's see. 17 EM character 117. So I think, yeah, I think what's going on here is that we just have a bad read. EM character. So we just go to EM character at CPP 117. 117 if action points. Deplete action points. Hold on, let me be doubly sure. It's not related. EM character at CPP 117, yeah. Huh. Well, this is the joy of programming. Time to replicate this error. Alright, so hit or end turn. Okay. Oh, that was a nasty one. Ah, finish turn. Finish turn is unhandled exception. Alright, chat, I'm getting what's called a null pointer error. And essentially, I'm reading something that doesn't exist, and the game's engine's like, what the hell? Oh my god! So the problem child of this is a method function, whatever the fuck it is, whatever it is in all these languages, dude. I need to write a script. I need to write a stock script. Finish turn. EM battle game mode 295. Okay, so if we go to the EM battle game mode 295. Last character selected. Deplete action points. Oh. We go up to 105. 105 is... Huh. It's returning null somewhere. Alright, well. There's that. I gotta get a gauge for where I'm at exactly. I'm gonna... Hold on, we're gonna rebuild this really quick. Rebuild. Okay, cool. You're set. Relaunch this. Do that. Yep. We're gonna do this and that and this and that and that and this. This and that. That and this. This and that. I'm all caffeinated up, baby. Create a dummy grid to avoid crashing. Finish that. All right. Index is less than array. Num. Array index out of bounds 3 from an array. Size 3. Huh. In battle game mode 201. Refresh initiative widget. 76. Begin round. Huh. Okay. Crashes. Alright, let's keep on trying this out. Alright, chat, let's see. Intern. Boom. 295, 105. Oh, you know why? I don't have a character selected. That's why. That's why. Duh. I need to... You know what I need to do? Play this, and then if I click on like Fjorgen, boom, boom. Camera's not there. Camera's over here. Ugh, that's why. Okay. I'm still sore from swimming yesterday. Went out for a nice swim and everything. It was very nice. Still very sore from swimming. Okay. Alright, chat. So here's what's going on. So we have a tick function. If you don't know what a tick is, imagine that I have like I have a clock, and a clock essentially allows me, like for every single second, I check whether or not something, like the game checks, like if a thing is active. Thing is every frame of the game, it checks whether or not it's like true or not. It runs some kind of code. Point is that right now, if I try to hit the end turn button in our UI, there's no character selected and returns null, and we aren't handling that case. So we need to essentially stop it. Players may select a character that isn't active right now. So what we're gonna do, and so if that returns null, and then it will just shit the bed. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna do a I luckily have the trace log here in my Discord notes. Discord. If you aren't part of the Discord, you can join our Discord right here. Putting it into chat right now. Boom. Discord away. So 295. So last selected character, deplete action points. Okay, yep. Okay, let me just be sure handle null exception in CPP. Well, null error in CPP. I don't have to. My experience tests if pointer or if not pointer are preferred. They do not depend on the definition of the symbol. They do not expose to the opportunity for the assignment, and they are clear and succinct. Okay, cool. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay. 295. Catch. Yes, I do want to edit this. Catch. Catch. Null. Okay. Hold on, chat. I am learning right now. Otherwise, how are we all doing today? We're doing well. We're doing well. Hope you all are doing well. What's going on? What's going on with y'all today? Anything exciting? I know it's a Monday. Tell me what's interesting. Tell me what y'all are doing if you want to. Otherwise, you'll hear me rambling about programming. Okay. Catch, try. This is about to be really fucking weird, but this case is this try case. Oh fuck. Ah, that fucking sound. Thanks for the follow, Squish. Hey, Squish, glad to have you here. This try case is implemented in case the This try case is implemented I was already following on YouTube, didn't realize I wasn't following on Twitch. Well, thank you very much, Squish. Appreciate it. This try case is implemented. Yeah, no, Twitch is a new thing. Whatchamacallit? We're using a dual casting software. So we're live on Twitch and YouTube. YouTube, if you are not following on Twitch, you should go follow me on Twitch. If you are on Twitch, you should go subscribe on YouTube. This try case is, and make sure to like and subscribe this live stream. YouTube pleasantries and all that shit. This try case is implemented. This try case. Do a bit of that. This try case is implemented when the player is implemented to save us headaches when this try case is implemented to save us from crashing if we have no character selected. Catch. don't like how Visual Studio Code just... Oh, you know what I could do? If last selected character equal null, no go, else I am over engineering that. It looks nice. If I were to throw that into like a code portfolio, that would have looked really nice. Be like, ooh, look at that, Mr. Recruiter Man, Recruiter Woman, Recruiter AI, whatever the fuck I am talking to. Look at this catch, this throw and catch. It looks very nice, doesn't it, chat? Doesn't it? Why don't I just use it if else? Character is null. Character is null if not selected else. So that throws that, and then so we're gonna come out this line. Do that, and then we're gonna compile the code. Alright, patch creation successful. Play. Intern. Yep, patched. Let's go. Patch that issue. Cool. Print to console. Print to Unreal Console from code. Print to screen. CPP? Game engine add on screen debug message minus 1 15.0 F color. Okay, cool. I don't care. Okay, let's say magenta. Magenta's a very nice color. Text. Character not selected. Character not selected. Close parentheses. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? This message is thrown into the console when the player tries to end the turn with a character not selected. In future builds, future updates, we will need to create a EM battle game mode event, which is fired as a which is fired, telling the player select a character. That. Do that, or we do a whatchamacallit? We do that, or we do a patch. Patchy patch. Actually, characters by turn order. 0. Actually, hold on. Characters by turn order. Expected to member name. Okay, shut up. Characters by turn order. Let's see, chat. Characters by turn order. Oh, you know what? I just can't call this. To do. Need to figure out how I can. Okay, there we go. Control-Alt F11. Let's do that, and then boom, that will do that. Patch creation. Patch is in. Play. And turn. Character not selected. Character not selected. There we go. Alright, cool. Cool. We're cooking here, chat. Alright. I need to update this to do update the fuck. Update the edge case when the player hasn't selected a character. Update the edge case when the player hasn't selected a character and they hit the end button. Okay, cool. B pending end turn false selected abilities. Okay. So we're removing that piece, we're removing that chunk of code. No, why did I remove that? That's bad practice. That's not good. Edit, view. What's the shortcut for mass comment on this IDE? Multiple line comment. Line comment. Shift Alt A. It's VS Code. Let's try this, chat. Doing that and that and that. We got all of that. Make sure this works fine. Yep. Okay. Last selected character. When this case is reached, when this case is reached, make the game to not edit the make the game not end the turn. New going Trello. We're gonna doing that, and then we're just gonna boom, boom. Programmers, and then progress, EM, battle, game mode, tweaks, EM battle, game mode tweaks, update. EM battle, game mode. Game mode. Bold that. Boom. And then we don't need this code anymore. So if selected character when interacting with the selected character played action. Else, if last selected character equals null, let's be sure that this works properly. Okay, so like, hey, I'm gonna move this guy. Hello. Boom. Oh, that started a new round. Oh, fuck. That's not supposed to happen. Whoop. Okay. Okay. He comes on in. Go, go, go! Oh my gosh, combat time! Okay. Fight! Ha! Witcha! Go, go, go! Get him! Okay, why is that? That's weird. Get him! Ow! Go, go, go! Cool. Alright, what's the new error? EM Battle Game Mode 809. What's causing that? 809. Move completed. Auto cast character. Cast AEM character setting mouse. Character set. Actor tick enabled. EM battle event. Current movement. It's dash. Is it dashed or walked? Update status if active event character. If actor equals selected character, show overlay, set command in progress, command in none. If not player turn or character is empty, action points, finish, turn. Huh. Interesting. Funny, you can see where I've worked because I in my type of programming I like to just include fuck tons of comments, and all that stuff. So when it comes, yeah, lots of green, whereas if you go to like other parts of the code it's just barren. Because I know I'm gonna revisit this. I'm gonna revisit this code a day. What about the save? And this is also just a vertical build. Like this code is going to be repurposed. Excuse me. Yeah, this code is going to be repurposed. So I'm writing down documentation in the future. Last selected character. All right, so this stuff can go. Okay. We're gonna bring you over here. Check out selected. Get him. Whatcha? Get them! Ah! Cha! Okay, get the point. Capture the objective. Something went wrong with the code. Cool. I'm not gonna bother with that right now. I'll put that into the enemies remain. Kill them. Enemies remain, kill them. Debug statement, and the game mode doesn't progress. Okay, cool. All right, one of the okay, so here's one of the things. So what's supposed to happen is that if I end the turn, the converted are not updating. So what I think is going on is if we go into the UI, go into portraits, I'm drinking 2 cups of coffee. I should not be doing that. That's the home base battle. Portraits. Portrait. Go into that, we go into the initiative widget. Alright, let's go into the initiative widget. Okay. Characters. What is being passed? Set portrait IMG. So if we go to the actual blueprint, so, oh well. Let's enable that debug statement. Play this. Yes. 201 EM battle game mode 201. Fresh initiative order 201 76. Begin round, okay. And 707. What's going on here? Grid update visible cells game data get enemies. What's just that? Just a bad poll? Is that just a bad poll? Maybe? Alright, that's just going into my Discord notes. Okay. It's going into there. That way we can, yeah, do that. Let us keep on moving. Moving along. Moving along. Yes, I would like to reopen this, please. How often can I replicate this? Huh. Excuse me. Alright. You know what? Player character. Okay. That works. Break this link. Break that link. Break this link. No longer need character initiatives because that's never getting used. Put that there. Save that. Make checkout selected. Save this. Character initiatives. Huh? No. Play this, and then enable this. Go back to this. Okay. Fam is good. Okay. I think I know what it is. No, it's not that. That's weird. You know what's probably gonna happen though? It's about to crash. No. It does not. Okay. All right. What do I want to work on next? Okay, so what I wanted to do is that now it's removing all of, so like if I hit in turn, oh. Huh. Interesting. I'll fix that later. Ah! Excuse me. Okay, so okay, so we have animation testing level, we have a BP battle game mode. AEM character equals. Alright. now I want to... Oh, hello, wallpaper. Now I want to get this character to go to here. Like, so, like, if this... So, when I hit intern... let's go to the UI. Battle. Okay, intern. On-clicked. On-clicked. Toggle. What is this? AEM battle game mode. Toggle intern. Okay, but like, where's the function definition? Oh. Be pending end turn. Okay. Also, if so this is the game. Finish tick if B level turner. If await time minus equal delta time return. If command in progress, command none. This does nothing else. If finish level false. UEM cast UEM game instance, get game instance, add experience, get game data, put that, okay, finish level. Else if B pending end turn. Then we hop to finish turn. False if selected ability equals no pointer. If selected. When ending the round with the last selected character. Excuse me. Last selected character. And then that goes into Okay. All right. So we're still trying to figure out refresh initiative widget. Okay, let's see. Refresh initiative widget. Where is this? Oh, you know what it could be? Yep, that's what I thought. Initiative, okay. Event, refresh initiative widget. Characters. Current round order, okay. I'm gonna put a comment here. That there. Set portrait IMG. Alright, so we clear the children initiative box. And then that. Okay, fine. Okay, and then BP battle game mode, and then if we go, okay, so I think I know what's going on here. So what's going on is that when we add, I'm gonna save this. When we do this, when we end the turn, the character's in there. So if we have to go to the init initiative widget, init roll for initiative, and then it's in there. So it gets at, all right, so this is just the dice rolling. It just already keeps on rolling and rolling, rolling. And then, and now initiative inverted bubble sort for each loop. Characters by turn order. That play sound to the set portrait image. Does that first one set portrait IMG? Yep. Okay, so it does that, but then on toggle end turn button, do that, toggle end turn, set is enabled, set opacity function. So set is enabled. on end turn. Toggle end turn button false. B pending end turn. And then we go to finish turn. If select a character current round order that add. Current round order selected character. Current round order remove single selected character. Else. In this case. And then refresh initiative widget, which goes into back into here, which goes into the character refresh initiative event refresh initiative widget, set portrait IMG, clear children. We're gonna try this. Okay, so what? So, keeps getting rid of it. It gets lost in the clear. In the clear children. I think it has to deal with the actual characters. So if we go to the character, converted, fam, go to that, event graph, get battle game mode, make self hostile, set get battle game mode, init roll for initiative, play sound to the get mission camera. think we're just missing a simple branching statement. Forgot the... Cool. Whoops. Whoopsies! Let's just return this back to setting 1. That's interesting. Trying to figure this out. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. Excuse me. Hmm. Man. Can't seem to figure this out. Why are you disappearing? What happens if I just... Huh. Yeah. That's to be expected. Because that's not supposed to happen. Hmm. Why is it crashing so much? I'd like it if this build stopped crashing every 5 seconds. Hmm. You know what's probably happening? It's... No. Not that. Fuck! Not that. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. I don't know who I am. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. I don't know who I am. Good song. Man, chat. How the fuck do I figure this out? I'm gonna eat some berries. We're about to crash. No. I don't understand why that was there before, because that would mean if I had like 2 enemy characters, it would be like, no, I'm only gonna add 1. And that would cause issues. Son of a bitch. I'll add that to the ticket. Wait, what? Is this the big break? Oh, it's not even firing. That's why. Okay, yeah, that's why. Yummy, yummy granola. Nom, nom, nom. I see. I remember now. Yeah. Okay, so we have two. Mm-hmm. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this needs to be changed to be blueprint read write. It's gonna be a bit of a little bit. Roll for initiative. Okay. Wait, how come it's being added? Wait, that doesn't make any sense. This can be removed. Looks like that can be removed. I'm gonna keep that there. So, non-component begin overlap sphere. True. Init roll for initiative. Okay. Let's see what this does. Alright, you know what we can do? Update. Do that, and then we do EM character. No, fuck, nope. Can't mess with that. Yes, restore selected. Make self hostile, make each hostile, get battle game mode, set portrait IMG, deplete action points. Okay. This needs to go right there, because that breaks otherwise. Save this. Current. Refresh initiative widget. Current round order. See about this, save that, compile that, save this. Oh, fuck. What if I make this private once again? Hmm. Ah, man. We are compiling this chat. And my editor crashed. Oh boy, oh boy! Alright. Cool. Well, my editor does that. It's always wonderful. Let's see. Yeah, it relies upon protecting it being protected, not protected private. Ah, fuck. don't tell me I'm about to run into the same freaking issue. Fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck! Alright, let's rebuild this. Local Windows debugger. It's compiling. Go. All right. Let's see. Unable to free the fucking memory. This sucks. This absolutely sucks. Tell you, Chad. I'm telling you. This is no bueno and no fun. Now I can't work on this. And I don't know what's causing the memory corruption. The other guy working on the team does, so I have to ask him. Otherwise, yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo. You know what that means? I'm gonna take a quick little break. I'll be right back. I'm gonna be like gone for like 4 minutes. Yeah, around 4 minutes. I'm just gonna go get myself some water. BRB. Hello once again, chat. We're back. Let me get my streaming setup all configured back up. All right. Cool. So this isn't working, unfortunately. Hey, Art Dev. I'm doing well, man. I was making some good strides with whatchamacallit, with the programming, but then I run into a memory issue. And I have no idea, but the other guy on the team knows about it, so yep. So there's that. Otherwise, just got myself a donut, ate that, got myself some water. How are you, dude? Ugh. Not great, not gonna lie. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm sorry to hear that. would say, do you want to talk about it? But this is a Twitch live stream. It's also going into the VOD, unfortunately. So, yeah, but I mean, on the bright side, you're here with me now. Ready to the shitpost? Is it Twitch? It's Twitch and YouTube. Can't do anything in the home. I go first go into the maps. On brightish side, finished some art. Also, although to be honest, just ended it early because I was really happy with it. But it's still a finished product, just not shaded, so not too bothered. Yeah. There you go. That's the attitude to have, dude. Okay. We are now working on the investigation board because the rest of my project doesn't work. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Did you fix the bug, by the way? The thing where your game crashed? Yes, but then no. Because it turns out it got corrupt. The file gets corrupted somehow whenever I fucking mess around with it. Especially the header file. Like, even rebuilding the binaries and all that stuff. It still manages to get corrupted, and I don't know, I need to sit down with the guy who fixed it over the weekend on the team, Pedro, and talk with him about how he fixed it. Because, and like, why does it keep breaking when I go into the header file and keeps getting corrupted like that? vector 2D. I don't know why the code just keeps doing that whenever I mess around with the actual header file. It just keeps on just breaking, and so I can't work on the actual battle game mode. If you go back about 2 hours, I was working on this thing. As soon as I go into the header file though, boom, stops working. Which is frustrating. I wish I had a PC to do game dev. I mean, you can still do game development on your like pen and paper. Like games are not just video games. Like you have board games and all that stuff, so you can still very much do like board games, tabletop RPG, a bunch of tabletop stuff. Like you don't need a computer to do like an actual desktop to do game development. You just need to you really at the end of the day, you really just need pen and paper. Well, as in like video games, I mean tabletop stuff just has a lot more limitations. I disagree with that. In theory, tabletop is infinite because I mean, if you consider like Dungeons and Dragons or any other like role-playing game, that in theory has infinite scenarios that you can do. The only limitation is like language and maybe like images that you could possibly describe and like create and all that stuff. But with the computer, like the actual like desktop, when it comes to game development on the desktop, it allows for a lot more visual experience, visually oriented. I feel like there's certain stuff just impossible in tabletop, like look at For Honor. You could never translate a fighting system like that into tabletop. Could you? Look at Diplomacy. You could so do that. Like, here we go. In Diplomacy, you write out like you write your turn, all your moves in the turn. And then you flip over the card. and then that's all your moves, and all of that begins to, and then the board changes. You could so do the same thing of like, hey, I swing right, I guard left. Oh no, character took damage. Okay, how much damage does he take? Roll 4 dice. There you go. Fighting system like For Honor. There you go. Tabletop variant. How's that? Of course, there are limitations in like specifically what you can do, but you can still like, hold on. And then you couldn't react, then like maybe put in a reaction the mechanic where you substitute one of your actions that you had to do in order to, where you can take out one action. I think having no reaction time in tabletop may be the biggest limitation. It could be. You just have to design around that specifically. So that isn't you actually. You're using your reaction time. Yeah. I mean, if you want the real deal, just go get yourself a foam sword and For Honor, and then fucking fight physically. But you still have the same core concept of, hey, you execute this series of actions. Hiya? Anyways, you have this set of actions in that you can't strategically react to. That'd be actually kind of fun. Oh damn, that gives me like a game jam idea. Like an actual, like, I'm gonna write that down. If I can find a pen. I take 728. I take full credit for your idea. Take 720%, 728% of the credit. Sure, I'll credit you. Art dev for idea. I could actually make that in like a weekend. I feel like that'd be fun. Make that game in like a weekend. You don't actually need to credit me, by the way. That was 100% your idea. Thanks. I'll still give you credit. I actually saw this. That actually does. That actually sounds like a game I'd like to play. Publish it to like itch.io, sell it for like $3, call it a day. That'd be really fun. Now you have me really thinking about that game idea. So you'd have like a certain amount of you'd have like a certain amount of you'd have a certain amount of health, and you have a certain amount of action points per turn, and like block is like 20 action 20 like 100 action points. Fuck. This sounds like a really good idea. Hold on. So you have like so you got two fellas. You've got two fellas. And like one has like one has a sword, one has a shield. And then this and then you have one other guy that has like a Zweihande. This Zweihande. And then they have like 100 AP. And then like health, and then like you could like build your character to have like certain armor, and like and then from there everyone kind of like uses their actions for that turn. And then the card flips over, and then like someone says like, oh, I'm gonna block this attack in this corner of like this quadrant. Block this quadrant, and then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna attack that quadrant of the character. And then and then like you take all your actions. So like this one guy could like take like 5 actions, whereas this guy could take like 3 actions. And if those 3 actions take place, yeah. Yeah, that could be really fun. If I did have a PC, I know exactly what game I'd want to remake. I remember a while back when Game Builder Garage released on Nintendo Switch, I created my magnum opus, a local multiplayer game where each person picks a duck and it's like a fighting game. I'd love to go back and remake that. Hell yeah, dude. Add a feint. You can only feint a certain amount of times, and you have to put it into your action. If they react and block your attack, you feinted and hit. If they didn't react, your feint fails and you get blocked, losing your feint usage. That could be good, yeah. I think right now, I just kind of want to test out. Just be like, okay, I've got 2 things. I've got 2 things here. And so I've got like attack and block action. Consumes a certain amount of AP. And whenever you actually land a hit, you roll the dice. That could be really fun. Maybe you can use an action to create a close distance. Maybe. I don't know. I think when I'm doing this, I want to, whatchamacallit? If I were to do this, I would focus on just doing build, attack, and block. Well, yeah, obviously. I feel like you have 5 actions in turn, you should be able to do more than just attack or block. Well, obviously, yes. But right now, keep it simple, silly. Because I want to get, like, the core. Just keep the, like, hey, you attack or you block, boom, boom, boom. And I just build upon that. See how it works. So, like, and, like, I do, like, a shield, a sword and shield, and, like, a 2-handed sword. Fuck, dude, I could, like, make this in about 2 weeks. I feel like. That'd be really fun. A weekend or 2 weeks. That'd be a really fun challenge. Make a diplomacy, but you're fighting 2 people. You're fighting, yeah. That could be that. Let's call it. You would let people choose their weapons and armor, right? Yeah. Unlike the final game, definitely. Really cool. Maybe you could choose 2 items. You can go for like a shield and sword, a spear and a sidearm, or you can use dual wield to get extra attack at the same time, so the other person has to maybe use up more of those reaction points to block both strikes with 1 sword stance unless you have a shield. And I think that can definitely be, yeah. And then that could be good. Whatchamacallit? That could be really good. Yeah, I'd have to think about this further, but honestly, maybe a guy with an axe can use it to hook someone else's shield, since I'm pretty sure people did that, right? I don't know. Like, that's gonna be my response to a lot of your questions. I don't know. I'm looking at this, now I'm just thinking, how can I make this easy, approachable, and fun? Excuse me. Wait, how did the reaction system work again? So you can react but in exchange, so like one of the things that you exchanged for one of the actions that you did, you can have a reaction of appropriate AP cost, to counteract that, but you have to give up one of your actions in order to react. And you can only react so much per turn. That could work. Right now, I'm not quite concerned about reactions. Idea, unreactable attacks that remove your own ability to react to OP. Takes too much player agency, yeah. Takes too much player agency, that's too much. Oh, fuck it. This is entertaining me. I can work on this project later. 5.3.2. Know what we're doing? We're doing this. Can I make 2 games? Project. Diplomacy. But for honor. Delete. All right. Timer. Online timer. All right. No. Timer. I just need a timer. Stopwatch. That's what I'm looking for. All right. Stopwatch is gone. We are off to the races. I started this. We are off. We are off to the races. Son of a bitch. How fast can I make a game? Where the fuck is the level? This is like a prototype, yeah. That was the starter content. Okay, we're gonna create a simple blueprint. We're gonna make up a blueprint. Pawn. Make a pawn. Player pawn. Yeah, I'm using the Dream speedrun music. Player character. Player character. Move here. Yep. And then blueprint. Character components. Character. Variable health. Integer health. Action points. And then player pawn. Pull up starter content. Where's Manny? I need Manny. Maybe not for the prototype, but you have like 5 actions. Maybe let the players have a few characters they control, like each gets one guy in melee back with her or something. I don't know, just an idea. Yeah, maybe. Cube. Character cube. And then in okay, so a difficulty slider, dude, difficulty slider, and when you play hard mode, just puts you in reverse grip. No, not right now. Let's see. Set health to 100. And then set action points to 100. By the way, like node system, is that visual scripting, or is it still code written? It's visual scripting. Event begin play. We start that, and then we do that. Character attributes component, action points. Set that to 100, and then we make a controller. Okay. Alright. I think I didn't know Unreal was visual script. Yeah. It is. Most certainly is. Okay. All right. I think I'm gonna cut the live stream short today because I really want to do this. I want to really try it out, see how fast I can make this game. And yeah, I'm gonna see how quickly I can make this game. I'm gonna time myself, and yeah, I think I can make this and make a prototype in like a day. Oh, all right, yeah, I'll be around. I'll be back. I'll be back on Wednesday. Back tomorrow and back on Thursday. Otherwise, everyone, thank you all very much for coming along, tuning into the live stream, and yeah, good luck on this. Thanks, Art Dev. I will keep you appraised. Make sure to join the Discord. Alrighty, take it easy, guys.